Okay, so in this video we are going to look at successive events in probability. So if we have two successive events, it means one event has an effect on the other and so on. They're linked. A useful fact to remember is that the probability of A intersection B equals the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B given A. That's just for successive events. Now, it's never come up as a necessary solution, but again, it's just useful to know. So example 1 here, we have 3 cards chosen from a standard pack. So a standard pack, you can see here, has 52 cards, 4 suits, hearts and diamonds red, clubs and spades are black. Then we have our numbered cards, Jack, King and Queen, and our picture cards are Jack, King and Queen. Okay, part 1 here, probability all 3 are kings. So at the start we have 4 kings, 1 for each suit, and 52 cards. Then there's 3 kings left, 51 cards left, 2 kings left by 50 cards left. Into your calculator, 4 over 52 by 3 over 51 by 2 over 50 will give me 1 over 5525. And that's our probability of 3 kings. Part 2, none of the 3 cards. So it's the probability it's not a king, not a king, and not a king. So if we have 4 kings, then it means there's 48 cards that aren't kings. Then there'd be 47 left, and 51, and 46 left, and 50. Into your calculator. We get back 4324 over 5525. Okay, part 3. They say at least 1 is a king. So when we see the words at least 1, that's a clue. It tells us the formula is 1 minus the probability of none. So we know the probability of no kings. We figured it out in part 2 is 4324 over 5525. So 1 minus. Into your calculator. Will give you 1201 over 5525. Okay, and part 4, exactly 2 are spades. So we'll write out our 3 scenarios for that. So we have spade, spade, not a spade, then spade, not a spade, and a spade. And the last option will be not a spade followed by 2 spades. Okay, so for this one here, for spades we have 13 of them. And there'd be 12 left. And then here, so 52 minus 13 will give us 39 over 50. Again, spade, 13 over 52. It's not a spade, 39. And then we've 12 spades left if we've used one already. If it's not a spade, we're looking at 39 over 52. A spade is 13 over 51, and a spade again will be 12 over 50. Okay, into your calculator for each bracket. So you'll get 39 over 850 plus same again. And then your last bracket into the calculator. You'll notice a pattern here in these types of questions. Pretty quick. So again, same answer, 39 over 850. Tidy all that up. We get 117 over 850. Okay, that's example 1 answered. Example 2 now tells us 14 girls and 16 boys in a room. One student is picked at random and leaves the room. Another student gets up and leaves. So there's successive events. Find the probability that both are boys. So 14 and 16 tells me 30 students. Okay, so probability of boy followed by boy. So 16 over 30. If one boy has left the room, we've 15 left and 29 students left in the room. So we get 16 over 30 by 15 over 29. Gives me 8 over 29. Part 2. Both are girls. We've 14 girls. So that's 14 over 30 by 13 over 29. Into your calculator. We get 91 over 435. And part 3 here, at least one is a boy. Again, that word again tells me 1 minus the probability of none. So we've actually figured that out already. The probability of none would mean the probability of a girl followed by a girl, which is 91 over 435. So 1 minus 91 over 435 into your calculator will give you 344 over 435. That's your answer, and that's that question done, or those two examples done for successive events.